Chapter 13. A New Creation. And it came to pass that Elohim spoke unto Naamah and Noah, saying, Go forth out of the ark, thou and thy sons, and the wives of thy sons that are with thee, and lead out with these every living thing that is with thee of all flesh, even the fowl of the air, and the cattle, and of everything that creepeth upon the earth, that these may breed abundantly in the land and be fruitful, and multiply upon the earth. And Noah and Naamah went forth, and their sons, and the wives of their sons with them, and so too did every living beast, every creeping thing, and every fowl upon the earth, after their kinds, went forth out of the ark, even as Elohim spoke it. And Noah built an altar unto the Lord, and they took of every healthy beast, and of every healthy fowl that these could spare, and gave them as an offering to the Lord upon the altar. And Noah and Naamah and their sons and the wives of their sons did eat and gave thanks unto the Lord, and rejoiced in their hearts. And Asher came unto Noah and Naamah and spoke to these, and blessed them, for the Lord had smelled the sweet savour of their offering, and said in their hearts, Never again shall I curse the ground because of my children, Adam. Nevertheless, the intentions of their hearts is evil from birth. And never again shall I smite all living creatures as I have done. And Noah and Naamah answered unto the Lord, saying, We shall call on the name of the Lord, that the ground shall not again be smitten any more for the sake of mankind, and we shall keep the covenant we have made with the Lord Elohim, that while the earth remaineth it shall not be smitten as it has been done this day, and at seedtime and harvest, and in the cold and in the heat, and summer and winter, and day and night, may we never cease to remember the covenant. And Elohim blessed Noah and Naamah, and their sons and the wives of their sons, and said unto them, Be fruitful and multiply, and replenish the earth, and upon every beast of the earth, and upon every fowl of the air, upon all that moveth upon the earth, and upon all the fishes of the waters, into thy hands are these delivered. Every moving thing that liveth shall be food for thee, even as the green herb, have I given thee all things, but the blood of all flesh, which I have given you for meat, ye shall not eat, yea, and the blood shall be sealed upon the ground, which taketh life thereof, and the blood, and surely, blood shall not be shed, except for meat, or to save thy lives. And know too that I say unto thee, the blood of every beast will I require at thy hands. And whosoever sheddeth human blood, I will seek their blood, for mankind shall not shed the blood of their fellows, for mankind was made in the very image of Elohim, and in Teshuvah I give unto thee that all mankind are brothers and sisters and shall preserve the life of one another, and thou art all one race and one people, for in the image of Yah have I made mankind. And now, I say unto thee, Be ye fruitful and multiply, breed abundantly throughout the land and multiply the children of Elohim therein. And Elohim spake again unto Noah and Naamah, and to their sons and the wives of their sons with them, saying, And behold, I will confirm my covenant with thee, even that which I made unto thy fathers, Adam and Eve, and Enoch and Adani, and Idris and Yidna, concerning your seed after all those that shall follow after thee. And it shall come to pass that every living creature that is with thee, of the fowl and of the cattle, and of the beast of the earth that is with thee, yea, all that shall go out of the ark, these shall not altogether perish, neither shall all flesh be cut off any more by the waters of a flood, neither shall there any more be a flood to destroy this land. And I shall establish my covenant with thee, even as I made unto thy fathers and mothers, concerning the remnants of thy posterity. And it came to pass that Elohim made a covenant with Noah and Naamah, saying, This shall be the token of the eternal covenant I make between me and thee, and for every living creature with thee, I will set my arches in the cloud, and she shall be for a token of the eternal covenant between the Creator and the creation. And it shall come to pass that when I bring my arches over the earth, that these shall be appearing in the clouds. And these shall stand ready in witness as a reminder unto thee of this, my covenant, which I have made between me and thee, for every living creature of all flesh. And the waters shall no more become a flood to destroy all flesh. And my arches shall be in the cloud and shall bear the signs and tokens, and I will look upon it, that I may remember the everlasting covenant which I made unto thy fathers, that when mankind should walk in Teshuvah, Zion should again come on the earth, the city of Enoch, which I have caught up unto myself. And this is mine everlasting covenant, that when thy posterity shall embrace the truth and look upward, then shall Zion look downward, and all the heavens shall shake with gladness, and the earth shall tremble with joy, and the general assembly of the church of the firstborn shall come down out of heaven, and possess the earth, and shall have peace until the end come. And this is mine everlasting covenant, which I made with all they that came before thee, and this everlasting covenant shall I make with all thy seed for time and all eternity. And the archers shall be in the cloud, and I will establish my covenant unto thee, which I have made between me and thee, for every living creature of all flesh that shall be upon the earth. And Elohim said unto Noah and Naamah, This is the token of the covenant which I have established between me and thee, for all flesh that shall be upon the earth.